I'm Nina Polshakova. I'm a software engineer at Solo. I work on some of the AI gateway features that we have that are actually featured in our labs. I've been at Solo for 5 years, working on a variety of different features there. So we have a multi-cluster service mesh offering built on top of Istio, and then we have an API gateway called K-Gateway that is built on top of Envoy. We have kind of a couple of different stations. So we have a lab station where people can come and try our software with, on their own. So they don't have to talk to a salesperson, hands-on, try a lab and see our product in action. And then over there we have a t-shirt station. So once you complete a lab, we give you a token, and then you can go pick out a t-shirt of your choice after completing the lab. So it's kind of you have to work for your swag. People seem to be liking the process because once they finish it, they want the shirt because they've earned it. Yesterday we had almost 500 people do the labs, so it's pretty quick because they only take 5 minutes. There's a section that you can put in for information, but it's very similar to the information we get from scanning your badge. So it's basic information like your name and email. Having hands-on lab experience is a great way of showing instead of telling people how our product works. So it lets people to try the software out on their own, at their own pace, instead of just talking their ear off about how great K-Gateway or service mesh is. They get to see adding MTLS in a cluster on their own and see the feature work, instead of us just explaining, without any whiteboards or anything. I think having a laptop is, for engineers, a better way of experiencing the feature and understanding how it actually functions.